Hi everyone, Jed Williams here from the World Federation of Critical Care Nurses, and I'm here to welcome you and invite you to the 17th Emirates Critical Care Conference and the 16th World Federation of Critical Care Nurses Conference, which will be held in Dubai on the 18th and 19th of June this year. It's a hybrid conference, so if you can't get there in person, you can always log on and be part of the online community that will participate in what promises to be quite an amazing conference. We've learned so much about COVID, about epidemics, about difficult respiratory disease in the last 12 months. But there's also been a lot of research happening around the world despite COVID, and many great innovations, great learning opportunities and great speakers all lined up to be part of this year's conference and learn from the many people who have put together some great presentations for us to learn from and to participate in. So again, everyone, I invite you to join us on the 19th and 18th of June this year. Remember, the early bird closes on the 9th of May, and I look forward to seeing you all being part of this great community of learning at the ECCC conference and the World Federation of Critical Care Nurses conference this year. Bye for now.